Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I install stabilizers, which I've always found kind of awkward, but I found one way that works for me and works well. So what I like to do is I like to install each stabilizer um, by itself first, so just screw them in with the stem. And then what I like to do is I lift up each stem just a little bit and then insert the wires. So you kind of have to eyeball the hole for the stabilizer stem. You might miss and you might go under, but once it's in there, then you just press down and that's it. Um, Even if you have a longer stabilizer like the spacebar, it's going to be the same thing. So just lift it up so you can see the hole. And then it might help to just put in one end first to get into the hole. If you can get both at the same time, that's great. And then get the other one in there, and then just push right next to the stabilizer, and then just pop it right in there. And that's how I install stabilizers.